So we were having a meeting with the hospital and we were both hitting some of the same barriers, and that was getting our resources and programming out to the people that needed it most. And we realized that we were not alone. And we stopped at that point and said, let's invite as many service providers as we can to come together and talk about this challenging problem and how we can come together for a collaborative solution.
When I first came on to the Office on Youth, I was amazed by how many organizations like in this area there are who are helping out and doing really good work, and I really wanted to see more collaboration, and so I was inspired to help out with Community in Motion and to kind of meet with these organizations because I was seeing a lot of space for us to be working together to kind of strengthen all of our unique programs.
So United Way has a large focus on early childhood education, and so we recruit families that are eligible to enroll in free preschool. And so being able to work with Community in Motion has enabled us to get into the neighborhoods that really need assistance with funding for preschool, and be able to build that trust and offer services.
So the main thing that the library is bringing to Community in Motion is the book bus aspect. We are stocking the bus with a circulating collection of children's books. We're hoping to expand that to include adult books in the future so that whenever you go on the book bus, you can sign up for a library card if you don't already have one.
We bring the noise. We're all about fun. The Y is a fun place to be healthy. So we talk about our scholarship program and sliding scale, and we have those forms, and we go right into those communities and say, hey, here's some ways that you can afford what we're offering, but we actually bring a lot of funds.
Because I see it work. I see families who come into the United Way, who come into our mobile health clinics, come into the library because of things that they learned at Community in Motion and the connections they made there. And it makes me really happy to see families and kids who are excited to see us, who are waiting on their doorsteps for us to drive by.
So being part of Community in Motion gives the library an opportunity that we didn't have before. There have always been people in the community that were not able to get to the library. We are unfortunately not in a great location for a lot of people in Waynesboro. It's not always easy for people to get to us, and being able to get out into the community and bring books and checkout services to where people are instead of needing them to come to us is a huge thing for us.
We're getting children enrolled in preschool that wouldn't have known about it in any other manner. They don't have cable TV, they don't have satellite radio, they don't have access to read the newspapers or other ways that we would promote it. So being able to bring it directly to their doorstep, it's working. And we've got children for the last 2 years that have benefited from being in a high quality, safe preschool environment at no cost to the family, and that wouldn't be possible if it weren't for Community in Motion.
Long-term goals for Community in Motion is getting more people involved, more nonprofits, and having the vehicle going out more. Right now, it's the Office on Youth staff or city employees that are taking it out on select days over the course of the summer. What we really want is a lot of the community. I mean, it takes a village coming involved, and then you get to rent the Community in Motion and bus and take it out into these. We want to see it going out every day, not just some select days in the summertime, because the more people are involved and the more we can get out in the neighborhoods, the more impact we can have.
I want to see Community in Motion continue to be a really collaborative effort between not only our partner organizations, but the community at large. I want to see more voices from the families we serve.
We've just touched a part of the community that needs help, and the model is working so well. And the providers and the agencies are coming together in such a collaborative and fun way that I would love to see us duplicate it in Stanton and go into the neighborhoods of Stanton that also need these services, and the outreaching areas of Augusta County that nobody takes the time to go 35 miles out into the country to offer these services. But Community in Motion, it's in motion. So the vehicle travels, and the agencies travel to the people rather than having the people search out the agencies.